Hello mga kabibig, welcome back sa aming bagong YouTube channel. Ito ang pinakamaingay na YouTuber sa lahat ng YouTube. Ako si Kabibig, maglabag-labag na tao with evidence. Kung merong mga witnesses na isinalang ang prosecution na kung saan itong mga witnesses na to ang posibleng magbibigay ng ah, clear or linaw na talagang pinagbantaan at talagang gusto ni BP Sara ng mga tsogi, sina Marcos, ang kanyang asawa si Liza Marcos at si ex-speaker Martin Romualdez. Ay nako, maghinay-hintay kayo at maghinay-hinay kayo kasi yung Operation Romanov, mga kabibig, kung ano ang nangyari sa lieg ni BP Sara, ilalabas na nila. May mga witnesses na sasalang sa defense team para malaman na natin kung bakit may something sa lieg ni BP Sara. Sabi ng ilan, ito na ang katapusan ni BBM. Kay BP Sara, wala silang mapatunayan kung merong kinontak si BP Sara na ek-ek kay BBM o assassin kay BBM. Pero si BP Sara, may mga witness na uupo sa depensa para isupalpal at ibahagi sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo kung ano ang nangyari sa Operation Romanov at posibleng sasagot kung anong nangyari sa liig niya. Remember, may mga pasabog noon si BP Sara. Sabi, may gustong ginitil-kill ang kanyang liig, pero hindi pa siya nagsasabi. Tama nga, sa tamang panahon, mabubulgar lahat. Naku po, exciting ito kabibig kasi dito natin malalaman sino ang nasa likod ng pagkitil at pagliig-liig ni BP Sara. Ito kabibig, ito yung revelasyon ng depensa kabibig at si Raffy Tulfo na shock kasi akala lang niya is laro-laro lang talaga ang ginawa ng Operation Romanov na yan. Hindi. May ebidensya si BP Sara at talagang sinabi ng depensa na sa tamang panahon uupo at magsasalita. Let's watch this video kabibig ha.
Senator Raffy Tulfo is seeking recognition. What is the pleasure of Senator Judge Raffy Tulfo?
Thank you, Presiding Judge Escudero. Short inquiry lang po for the defense, particularly kay Attorney Mark Biduan. Attorney Binuan. During the last hearing, when you delivered a manifestation in reply to the prosecution's statement regarding the fourth article of impeachment, you said, and I quote, "The truth of the matter is this, she and her family were justified." What triggered her response was a question about Operation Romanov, which is the plot to eliminate VP Sara and her family. End of quote. Now, Attorney Binluan, this Operation Romanov that you mentioned, are you referring to the Operation Romanov mentioned by the blogger Princess Maui during the online press conference of VP Sara?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So the question was raised during the press con by this Princess Maui, but I did not see her name sa list of defense witnesses in the pretrial order. So will you be presenting her as your witness?
Your Honor, at this point, it will depend on what will be established by the prosecution. The defense reserve its right to call or not call any witness depending on the course of the trial.
Oh, I see. Okay. So in other words, will you also be presenting any other witness to prove this threat or this Operation Romanov?
Yes, Your Honor, that will be part of our evidence in chief.
May this court know now kung sino-sino itong mga witnesses na inyo i-present?
Of course, Your Honor. We are not at liberty to disclose
Okay.
that at this time. Again, it will depend on the course of the trial.
Your Honors, Presiding Judge, the first time I've heard about this Romanov is during the Maisog Leaders Forum in Davao City. That was on January 28, 2024. Correct me if I'm wrong. It was mentioned by Mayor Baste Duterte. At that time, hindi ko alam anong ibig sabihin ng Romanov at sino mga ito. In fact, ginugel ko yan. Sino tong family Romanov? So napag-alaman ko, apparently, they were the ruling family in Russia that was murdered by the Bolsheviks in the night of July 16, 1918. Malapit-lapit na sa anniversary, 108th anniversary. Kasi ano ba tayo ngayon, July 13. Anyway, may relasyon ba ito sa binanggit ni Baste, sa sinabi ni Princess Maui at yung binanggit mo? Magkakarelasyon ba yung tatlo?
Your Honor, I have no personal knowledge of what Mayor Baste said, so I cannot comment on that, Your Honor.
So hindi mo napanood yun? Hindi...
No, Your Honor.
Okay. And last question. What did you mean when you said that BP Sara's response was unconventional?
Your Honor, it was a during the
Why do you consider it, why is it unconventional?
Your Honor, the basic meaning of the word is it will explain itself, Your Honor.
Okay.
Ogoy.
That's all, presiding judge.
Eh,
And,
Atik Tulfo.
Noted.
President.
Yun, kabibig. Yun ang nangyari. So talagang merong lalabas at uupo sa defense team ng mga witnesses or possibly witness sa Operation Romanov na pilit na gurgugurgurin si BP Sara. Naku, magkaalaman na talaga kabibig kung ano ang nangyari. On the other hand, kabibig, nagtaka ang defense team kung bakit itong bagong ano nila, itong bagong witness bilang witness sa prosecution ba dapat ready ka, alam ang prosecution tungkol dito mga kabibig. Let's watch this video ha. Kasi fair naman, napaka-unfair naman yung baka yung ibang mga someday na mga witnesses ng defense sa questionin kung bakit you're always watching or reading your notes. Ito naman mga kabibig. Palaging nagbabasa ng notes itong bagong witness ng prosecution. Itong si Attorney Lutok ba ito kabibig? Attorney naman mga Lutok. Ito na kabibig.
From his notes and not directly from the document that he identified.
Never. For the record, we're borrowing. Just for the record.
For orderly proceeding, Your Honor, please, I think it's proper for a third decision to ask to be recognized first.
Yes, Your Honor, we will do that. If I may be recognized, Your Honor.
Depends. What is the pleasure of Attorney Counsel for Respondent Attorney Season?
We'll just state an observation on the notes.
Your Honor, I think
Counsel,
you must
we
be
agreed
recognized first.
that only one counsel shall speak insofar as the presentation of a witness is concerned. This was objected to by the counsel for respondents, even if it was asked for by the counsel for the prosecutors.
Your Honor, for
We will do that,
the
Your
record,
Honor.
we are not objecting, but for a properly proceeding attorney season.
Counsel,
should be
it's
asked to be
okay.
recognized.
Chair will make a ruling. Attorney Binluan can
Thank you.
handle
Thank you, Your
that.
Honor.
With your permission, Attorney Season.
Your Honor, I'd just like to share the observation that the witness is reading from notes, from his notes and not directly from the document that he identified.
And if I may reply to that, Your Honor, to that non-issue, Your Honor, if I may.
Yes.
Your Honor, there's nothing.
Yes, counsel for the prosecutor.
Your Honor, wala po sa rules na kailangan na yung tugon ng isang witness, sinabi niyang notes, dapat based isang dokumento. In fact, Your Honor, please, yung iniisip ng ating rules, yung mga notes na ginawa mismo ng witness. For the public, if you're interested, you may look at Rule 130, Section 16 ng Rules of Court. Andun yun, pwedeng tingnan ng isang testigo yung notes na ginawa niya. Rule 130, Section 16, Your Honor, please.
Before I recognize counsel for respondent, Senator Judge Lacson, what is your pleasure, sir?
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. This is relevant to the discussion.
The gentleman may proceed and he has 2 minutes.
Yes. You requested to refer to your notes a number of times during your direct examination. Ang tanong ko, are you referring to an investigator's notes or notebook, or simply notes?
No, Your Honor. During the investigation, I have copies of the affidavit of investigation
Okay.
that we have.
Yeah, I asked that question because my understanding of an investigator's notes or notebook to be credible and may even be used as part of the examination or evidence in chief, depending on its authenticity and purpose, and the role of evidence is that the contents therein were written on the exact dates when the subjects of those notes actually happened. Ito yung ginawa niyo mismo?
Yes, Your Honor. During
Thank
the
you.
investigation.
Thank you
Your
for the clarification.
Thank you,
To the rescue si Pinky. Ito ng kabibigo. Note, kunwari, pero ang totoo script yan. Based on notes, scripted. Sabi ng mga netizen ha, sayang wala si Senator Marcoleta. No knowledge kasi kaya nga may kodigo. Mura man ka matunan ang witness, lutang yan. O yan, yun ang mga komento ng ating mga netizen. Ikakabibig, ano ang inyong reaction hinggil dito? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video para sa mga trending news nating pag-usap-usapan. Bye everyone, see you next time.